Okay, last time we talked about the verb sum, in English to be. There's some grammar that we need to talk about when we're talking about these verbs. But we'll throw in some Latin sentences too, so that you're actually working with Latin, using the language. But let's get the grammar out of the way. Okay, what we're going to talk about today are these two concepts. They're called predicate nominatives and predicate adjectives. We'll just jump right into it. When you have this verb, sum ss, sum ss sunt, or in English, am, I am, you are, he, she, it is, we are, you all are, they are. And that verb stands alone in the sentence. It's a linking verb. If it's helping another verb, like I am running, I am swimming, I am tackling the robber. If it's helping another verb, then it's a helping verb. But if it stands alone, it's a linking verb. When it's a linking verb, it links a noun with a noun, or a noun with an adjective. Let's talk about nouns and nouns first. Talk about adjectives in a minute. When it links a noun with a noun, the second noun in the sentence is called a predicate nominative. So, if we had a sentence, Dad is a teacher. Dad is the subject, is the linking verb, teacher is the predicate nominative. It is a noun that follows a linking verb. When a noun follows a linking verb, it's a predicate nominative. Let's talk about some more examples. What if I said, I am a ninja? I am the subject, am is the verb, ninja is the noun that follows the linking verb, am, and it renames the subject. And I'm only a ninja on the weekends, actually. I don't have time to do it during the week. What if I said, if I'm an ancient Germanic god, and I said, I am Thor. Thor is the noun, it's a name that follows am, and it follows am. Am is the linking verb, and it renames the subject I. I am Thor, because I fell down and I scratched my finger. That was a terrible joke. That's a predicate nominative when you have a noun that follows a linking verb. Okay? In Latin, let's do a couple of predicate nominatives in Latin, then we'll come back to predicate adjectives. We did some last time in the last lesson. When I said Britannia est insula, Britannia est the subject, est nominativus. You're going to get used to me saying that. That's a lesson for another time, so don't worry about it right now. But Britannia is the subject. Est is the linking verb. Britannia est. Britannia est what? Britannia est insula. Is insula a noun? Is it a person, place, thing, or idea? Is it something you can touch? Yeah, it is. Insula is a noun. It's a thing. It's an island. So, insula, the noun, follows the linking verb est, renames Britannia. Insula is a predicate nominative. Let's see. The other sentences that I used actually didn't have predicate nominatives in them. They were predicate adjectives. So let's talk about predicate adjectives. When you have an adjective that follows a linking verb, it's a predicate adjective. What's an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes another word. So, tall tree, deep river, blue moon, old cheese, whatever. A word that describes another word is an adjective. But you can separate them and put a linking verb in the middle. So in the sentences I had last week, we had the silva est magna. Silva is the noun. It's the forest. Est is the linking verb. Magna is a word that describes silva. It does not rename silva. It's telling something about the silva. So that is an adjective that follows a linking verb. It's a predicate adjective. Puella es bella. Bella is an adjective. Describes the girl. Pretty girl. Puella bella. Bella follows a linking verb. So bella is a predicate adjective. It renames the subject. Predicate nominatives, predicate adjectives, big names, sound complicated. They're really not that bad. When a noun follows a linking verb, it's a predicate nominative. When an adjective follows a linking verb, it's a predicate adjective. That's it. It's easy.